Thank you again for taking the time out to watch our videos here at National Gear. This is one of our Western gearboxes that we are doing that runs a large fan, and our mechanics are now getting ready to set all the bearing floats and preloads to their OEM specs. Did a full rebuild, manufactured some new inner components, obviously new bearings and new seals. As you can see, one of the other ones here was just completed. All bearing floats and preloads came out fantastic. Once we palletize this reducer, we will do a final, I guess you would say a final inspection. And due to COVID-19, we actually run a ultraviolet light briefly on top of the box before shipping and packaging, just to assure that we would decontaminate anything that might be infected. So rest assured, we take necessary precautions here at National Gear Repair. In need of COVID-19, our mechanics and ourselves and the whole staff was tested, and we all tested negative, thank the good Lord. So again, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. And thank you again for taking the time out to watch our videos. Free pickup, free delivery, and free quotes nationwide. All work guaranteed for 24 months. Thank you. Thank you again for taking the time out to watch our videos at National Gear. Like mentioned, right before final shipping and packaging, National Gear takes the time out to give the customer like yourself the peace of mind that we do use a UV light to help sterilize and help kill any bacteria that might be caused from COVID-19. Not to mention, everyone here at National Gear has been tested several times, and we all tested negative. But as you can clearly see, which I'm sure you probably did some investigation yourself, this is just a temporary, a brief description, but all mechanics do a thorough cleansing of this. And then obviously some shrink wrap, and then a final UV lighting once finally packaged. Again, please do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Here at National Gear, we offer free freight nationwide, free pickup, free delivery, and free quotes. All our work is certified, tested, and warranty for 24 months from the date of install. And all mechanics here are Tinker Bearing certified. And thank you. Have a wonderful day.